30 at 9. Saka 16.
Mayroon siyang re-interview person.
Kasi ang pinakamalaki na po namin yung pabata.
Payat naman yun.
Alam mo naman si Sel, re-interview question, common APR. Their common APR, which skills, attitude do you need to improve and how? Number 3, how will you rate your Friday's performance? Look to the leaper. Number 5, full print sublimation t-shirt. 5 pieces.
In school.
Bleach light.
Ano yung pinakamalaki na
Price. Number 6, design and product suggestion for birthday of us.
Ito, bilhin natin. Ito, awan mo na.
Kaya pala hindi siya mag-next month.
May dahil dito.
Opo, anong size?